It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What to do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today we back with another lit video, back in the confessional, and yeah, we staying lit, big dog. Hey man, shout out to my everyday people who rock with me every day, and shout out to the homie Lucky Wheels of Deals, man. You know he keeping it lit. Y'all go check him out on the Lucky Wheels of Deals channel, man. We keeping it lit. We got the Baddies West reunion. Now stuff been popping off. If you don't know, who all done got into a fight? Natalie beat up Tommy. Stunna girl and Rolly fought. You know what I'm saying? Stunna won. And Cat and Tommy attempted to fight. It was hilarious. You know, it was a good night. Let's hear some of the commotion. That's Rolly. Big old behind fight. Come on. Oh, you just had to be there.
What's up, Cat? What's up?
Oh, Tommy and Cat, get it.
What's up?
No.
What's up?
No,
What's up? You want to fight like that for real? What's up? Let's go. You want to fight like that? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We can go all motherfucking bitch. I'm good.
Hold on.
Yeah. You see this goofy ass shit, y'all? And Biggie is
But get out, because I'm getting active too.
Rolly and Stunna.
I'm getting active too.
Hey, oh, get it, Stunna. Oh.
But get out, because I'm getting active too.
Y'all gotta see this.
I'm getting active too.
Oh.
But
Come
get
on,
out,
Rolly.
because I'm getting active too.
She should have got that liposuction faster.
Worry about me. Get her, man. Oh, shit.
Natalie beat up Tommy again.
All right. Get him up.
Come on, Tommy. You can't fight. She already beat you in the boxing ring. Anyway, y'all go check that out on the Zeus Network. But anyway, let's get into the meat and potatoes. Something I can show y'all. I can't show y'all all the fights, but just know it's getting lit over here, okay? Let's get in the Cat talking about Stunna.
I'm not going to drop no names because I like my job. But yeah, you know who dick you was sucking. You already know. You're not never going to play on me and mine. We can get a lie detector, okay? A whole fucking lie detector. Bitch, you knew what the fuck you was doing. You knew. And I checked you about it multiple times. Because in my mind, bitch, if you start sucking dick, you're going to have to keep sucking it. But the fact that you told me that your nigga knew about it, that was the crazy part.
Golly.
That you was going to handle yours however the fuck you needed to.
So if I get this correct, she was sucking one of the producers off. That's what I get. Oh man, this always does that.
But yeah, you know who dick you was sucking. You already know. You're not never gonna play on me and mine. We can get a lie detector, okay? A whole fucking lie detector. Bitch, you knew what the fuck you was doing. You knew. And I checked you about it multiple times. Because in my mind, bitch, if you start sucking dick, you're gonna have to keep sucking it. But the fact that you told me that your nigga knew about it, that was the crazy part. That you was gonna handle yours however the fuck you needed to. Yeah. So for you to call somebody loose is fucking insane. And a finger pop, girl, that is childish. That sounds like some kid shit. That really sounds like the most weirdest, childish shit on the planet. Ready to fuck? Ready? Like, not fuck. Like, not you fuck the nigga. You was ready to. That shit sounds like a fucking kid. It sounds childish. Like, that shit don't even sound realistic. I would much rather you say that it was some dick. Somebody was getting some dick. Because one thing about me, baby, if I'm going to get some dick, I'm going to get some dick. Who the fuck gets finger? Like, what? Mad. Let's go all the way back. Okay? Now, confused? Yes. That part is true. Because I didn't know what the fuck was going on. You got to remember, we had wrapped the show. So, once I peeped it, okay, you unfollow that. Why would I ever care? And then nobody, girl, you was at a whole 200K. Like, kept losing your page trying to get your page back. I wasn't at 200K. I was already verified. Child, this was from motion from way back when. Like, I don't even be on Instagram like that, y'all, to even care. We only having these conversations because, like,
I was verified.
The reunion's out. But if we gonna talk about it, let's like really talk about it. Like real shit. Not little Miss Dick suck her way to the top. Calling somebody loose. Like Stunna, you could never. What? Girl, you needed all the fucking help, guidance, and assistance. It is pretty privileged.
Yeah, man. Let's get to part 2 because, you know. Let's get to part 2. We got to get in the comments. Oh, shit. I don't want to make a comment. I don't want to make a damn comment. I want to talk about part 2 and part 3. Oh, let me say this. I did just hear this. It said, who said, say Stunna? This is
Like Stunna, you could never. What? Calling somebody loose.
say Stunna.
Like Stunna, you could never. What?
That's crazy. Somebody would say
Like
that.
Stunna, you could never. What? Girl, you needed all the fucking help, guidance, and assistance. It is pretty privileged. Because it was a lot of privileges that you was fucking getting. A lot of privileges you was getting, baby. And it ain't because of no fights. It wasn't because of no motherfucking fights. Because you lost every single fight. Each and every fucking one. Like, yeah, all them separating you from the girls and having the guards outside your door and all that was because of the dick you were sucking. Yeah.
Who's talking in the back?
Yeah. It was loose. The mouth was loose.
Boy, they stirring it up.
It was loose. Like, please. We're not about to start making up shit. Who at this grown age gets finger popped? Like, and
this is nonsense. What happened to her Wi-Fi? Somebody cut her Wi-Fi. Golly. Well, I guess it is what it is. I guess whoever recording this got some terrible internet, and I need you to jump off a bridge with your terrible internet. Good Lord. Anyway,
what?
Shout out to everybody who watched.
But yeah, you know who dick you was sucking.
I want to see what's up. What's all this about? So I'm been trying to look up and see what Stunna actually said. I think Stunna said something. Maybe on Instagram. Nobody posted that. But if you watch the Baddies reunion, man, it got lit last night. I'm telling you, it got lit, and you know, it was messy. It was messy. I wish I could react to it, but they always copyright strike your boy, so I just don't want to. I can't react to it no more. I love watching it. I love reacting to it, but I can't because they like copyright striking your boy, or they'll definitely do a copyright, but they won't copyright strike it, but they'll copyright it. So they don't want nobody reacting to their stuff, man. They just want the hype without the promotion. It's free promotion, and I get paid for it too. So everyday people, man, let me know what y'all think. Is y'all on the Baddies West? Y'all want to see? I'm gonna do full reviews on Baddies East. Full reviews. So if y'all want to see full reviews on Baddies East, episode to episode, let me know in the comment section. We gonna watch this all together. All right, everyday people, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna holler at you later. Peace.